Okay, so basically, I'm starting college and I wanted to vlog my whole entire process of getting there, my first week at college. So first, this is me, literally in my hotel room, looking cute, as I should be.
And here we go. I hope you're hungry for nothing.
We drove about 5 hours all the way to college because I go to college in driving in was kind of easy, kind of difficult, kind of easy because they tell you where to go, but the process is just long and the line is just long because it's literally college. Basically, the first day I got there, it was so nice. Everybody was so nice. We had our own little glow-in-the-dark party. This is my roommate, KK. Literally love her. She's the best. We literally went out to go get lunch with our whole hall, and we got attacked by a duck. Literally my first day. My second day? First day.
I'm cold as a lion with no hair. If you ever see me fighting in the forest with a grizzly bear, help the bear!
This is my sweet mate, Malia. Love her. She's a cheerleader. Baddest girl in the world. They also had activities where you could canoe in a pool.
What on earth is going on in the House of Commons?
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
We were watching Yo Gabba Gabba for some reason. Guys, college is very serious, okay? We study and we watch Yo Gabba Gabba. This is the first day of actual school. I went with my sweet mate Malia and KK. There's the fit. Looking very beautiful, actually. And walking. All classes. I had 2 classes that day, I believe. And it just was 100-minute classes, maybe. It's really not that bad, but yeah. But college is nice, guys. I found my friend group. Everything's fun. This is my sweet mate, Lauren. She's so funny, silly, and goofy. Closet tour. Okay, we're going to CVS, and it's currently 11:40. This is the fit. I got my JJK sweatshirt. I got my pajama shorts. We got the Jesus slippers 9000, and we got my avocado socks. So yeah, that's the fit. Okay, go piss, girl.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. There will be more content coming. I'm in college. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Love you guys.